name is Shannon Clements. Some call me the nomadic author. Others call me mental. Why? Because I like to think a lot. And what I like to think about is, like I said, for some odd reason, that light does not cut on. But for right now, I'm traveling through here, through Kansas. And as you can see, you see all them deep gouges and stuff. It looked like the grass started growing back. But you see all them deep gouges and everything in the land. You see how, dang, it look like it's dark over there. Like it's like grass was literally set on fire. It's all tore up through here. But the deep gouges, you know what I'm saying? You know what that's from, right? Think about it. I'm in Kansas. See all that over here to the left? All them deep gouges over here on the right, you know what I'm saying? Look like it's like a sharp cliff or something like that. But really, that's come from them tornadoes touching down through here. Ripping all through here, you know what I'm saying? And you know it's crazy. This is springtime. It's almost that time for tornado season. You know, where the atmospheric pressures of the hot air coming from the south and the cold air coming from the north, all that stuff is meeting right here. Man, wow, it's amazing. I guess they just burnt. Look at all this. It's crazy. This tornadoes will rip through the sun. Oh, all throughout the years, you know what I'm saying? It's like where the grass is growing back. That means, you know what I'm saying, it hasn't been touched and the grass is starting to grow back again. But a lot of these areas, man, you can tell, look at over here on the left. You see that hill right there? You see where the deep gouge go right along the side? I wanted to say there's like people driving, but really that come from the tornado hitting the side of that son bitch. Ripping the side of that up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I look at this type of stuff. And then I see all these cows and stuff out here too. Cows everywhere. Hundreds of them. So I can just imagine what the cows go through when the tornadoes come around. What can they do? They big, bulky. They wasn't made to actually. They wasn't built for speed. They ain't for damn sure they're not gonna outrun no damn tornado. I guess that's the reason why they give them so much land to graze on. I mean, they got acres upon acres, hundreds of acres of land. They, instead of just little small cow pens or whatever, they give them hundreds of acres to roam around and just graze on. I should have went up on the scenic area real quick, so you see that. I just wanted to make a quick video of this, you know what I'm saying, because bizarre cattle crossing. That's probably from where they, what you call it. But yeah, they give them all that so they can be able to move around instead of being stuck. It's inhumane, you know what I'm saying, to them cows to have them stuck in one little small pen and they can't go nowhere and that tornado comes ripping through here. You know, you gonna have beef ribs and hamburger meat flying all over the place. Excuse the way I put it, but it's basically what happens. You know, and like I said, I make these videos sometimes they be for me. Sometimes it's just throw them out there, you know what I'm saying, to have something to talk about. People don't believe that like I said, when I was back in my hometown, I was on a bus. I was talking on the phone. No, I was talking to somebody who I knew on the bus. And I had told him, no, I was talking on the phone, that's what it was. I was talking on the phone and I told him I had seen all 48 of the continental U.S. states. A lot of people turned around and looked at me as if I was lying. Even though if you visit my Instagram, my Facebook, all my Twitter, you see pictures and all the other stuff. of me being in these places. So when they look around and says as if I was lying, I mean, what more can I tell you? Now here it is, I'm making video. This is Kansas. This is what Kansas look like. I'm on I-35, heading south. You know what I'm saying? You hear about all them forest land, you know what I'm saying, raging fires in California. Now what about all this burnt up stuff around here? You see all this, the grass and stuff? That's not just construction. You don't see no construction crews or nothing like that down here. All that land has been burnt up. The grass from the heat. Wildfires, you know? All that shit is not